Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through how to change your TikTok location or region. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. When you are bored of watching the same content on TikTok, you can easily change your location or region in TikTok. Tap open your TikTok application from your app drawer and sign into your account if necessary. Once you reach your home screen, tap on Me button at the bottom right corner, and once you do that, you'll end up in your TikTok profile. From your profile, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner. From your settings and privacy menu, tap on Content Preference under Content and Activity. Tap on Video Languages and tap on Add Language and select a language. Once you do that, tap on the Done button at the upper right. After you do that, the language has been added to your video languages list. Now, after you make this change, you'll start seeing more content from this specific region that you have chosen. That is how you can change your TikTok location or region and view contents according to your choice. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.